Hi, that was Monk Theme by Jeff Beal from the television series Monk. So if you've seen that before or if you haven't, check it out. But really good music, and so I wanted to share that all with you. So I hope you enjoy this. Please like and subscribe and consider the member area, more information about that, and I have some useful links down below. All right, well, let's get started. Okay, so we'll go through this a couple of measures at a time. We'll find ourselves mainly in 8th position, position 8. May go back a little bit to 7 briefly, and we'll go up as far as the 13th fret overall, but you can play in 11th position or 10th position for that. Okay, well, let's start out here. So we have... Okay, so that starts us out, and then we're going to play through here. So that's string 2 and string 3. Okay, and here we have... So I am shifting into that, just kind of slurring here, and well, I guess maybe more of an ornamental thing. So I'm just going from fret 7 to 8, sliding into it. Okay, so we start out very similarly here. Okay, and then we have, so moving down to strings 2 and 3 there. And now we're going to string 2, fret 11. Okay, there we are to the double bar line. Okay, so they're moving to string 1 and string 2, keeping our position 8. Okay, so we play there, and this is a really kind of important part of the tune. So I'm just really just sliding into that 12. It's not notated there, but sliding into that 12. Okay, so just like that on string 3, all on string 3, which kind of helps to keep the phrasing working well for us. Okay, and then we have this little run here. All right, so we've reached the second half of the form. So here we're pretty much repeating some of the material. Okay, and then we're going to play this again. Again, slide and kind of do it to taste what you like. So very similar again. Okay, so now we're going in a slightly different direction here. Now we're going into a slightly different direction here. Okay, and then we're going to go into 8, 7, 8, and up to 13. So I'm using 3rd finger there. Now I'm shifting to position 10. Okay, and then we have this happening again. Okay, and that pretty much finishes that out. So we may do another video on the chords as well, but this is going to cover the melody for us. Thanks for checking out this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you all in the next one.